What's poppin'? It's your boy MalodiQ, and welcome to Luli Island, where the ocean decides when the land gets to breathe. They call it Luli sink and reappear. A sandbar that vanishes like a secret whisper by the sea. Alright, pretty dope. 1 minute is here, the next, gone with the tides. Seems like life goes at its own rhythm. Look close, life moves different here. Fish that swim right up to you, snacking on crumbs, like they're part of the crew. It's pretty cool. The Uber rides, they call them tuk-tuks. It was pretty cool. Weaving through traffic like dancing to the beat. Drivers turning every ride into a story. And when the sun dips low, the city don't sleep. Tiki bar lights up at night, where locals and travelers sip, laugh. It was a vibe. From here, the view stretches forever. Mountains in the distance, blue melting in the blue. The kind of sight that makes you feel small, but at the same time, reminds you how big life really is. When you take in the sights, the view, it kind of humbles you. One strip of sand in the middle of it all makes you realize sometimes the smallest places carry the biggest perspectives.
Maybe I can flip a coin, girl, and still tell. Our emotions running high like a light bill. Charge it to the game, bill it to the game. I pay myself, I'm a Libra. That means I got balance. That means I pay attention. And I can see you fall over one like you clumsy, but it's cool. Cause I'm falling for you too.
Wrapped around Luli, the mangroves breathe with the waves. Silent, patient, nature's quiet protectors. They reach deep, roots like whispers to the sea. Guardians of the island, holding life in their arms. An island that plays with time, vanishing with the tide, yet unforgettable in every glance. This is Luli. Small, secret, alive. While the world rushes to El Nido and Gran, this little strip of sand just waits, quiet, patient, eternal. Disappearing, only to rise again. That's my experience. This is Luli Island, and this is the magic of Palawan. Stay tuned until next time with our next destination. Peace, love.